Here's a truth that most traders never want to hear, and once you truly understand it, it changes how you see the markets forever. The most profitable traders in the world spend most of their time doing absolutely nothing. Not analyzing, not clicking buttons, not chasing candles. Nothing. Studies and performance data repeatedly show that consistently profitable traders are inactive nearly 3/4 of the time. While everyone else is glued to the screen, convinced that constant action equals progress, the real winners are waiting. Calm. Detached. Unrushed. And that one behavior, patience, is quietly separating those who survive from those who bleed out. Patience in trading isn't a personality trait. It isn't discipline you're born with. And it definitely isn't passive. It's a skill, and it might be the single most valuable one you ever develop. The market is a hostile environment for the human brain. Your instincts evolved for survival, not probability-based decision-making. Thousands of years ago, hesitation meant danger. Immediate action meant survival. Those instincts are still wired into you, and in modern financial markets, they are a liability. Every urge to jump into a trade, every spike of excitement when price moves, every fear-driven reaction when the market pulls back, that's ancient survival programming firing at the worst possible time. Most traders mistake emotional intensity for effectiveness. They feel productive because they're active. They feel smart because they're reacting. They feel alive because the screen is flashing and something is always happening. But beneath that stimulation is a brutal reality. Impulsive behavior compounds losses faster than bad analysis ever could. The market doesn't reward speed. It rewards precision. And precision requires waiting. Impatience in trading doesn't announce itself as a mistake. It shows up quietly. Trade by trade. Decision by decision. A slightly early entry. A setup that was almost there. A trade taken because you didn't want to miss the move. Each one feels harmless in isolation. Together, they act like a silent tax on your account. Consider the math. A trader who takes 20 low-quality trades per week, risking just 1% each time, exposes a massive portion of their capital to random outcomes. Even with a decent win rate, the expected value barely justifies the risk. Meanwhile, a patient trader waits. They select only a handful of high-conviction setups. They risk less, trade less, and yet often extract more profit with far less stress. And that's before accounting for the hidden costs, spreads, slippage, commissions, mental fatigue, and emotional exhaustion. Overtrading doesn't just drain your account, it drains your ability to think clearly. Here's where most traders get it wrong. They think patience means sitting back and doing nothing. That's not patience. That's avoidance. Professional patience is active, intense, focused. It's the ability to observe without interfering, to prepare without forcing, to wait without disconnecting. Think of a sniper, not a machine gun. The sniper spends hours assessing the environment, tracking variables, waiting for alignment. Then, one action, one decision, one outcome. The machine gun approach feels powerful, but it wastes resources, attention, and precision. Active waiting looks like studying market structure across multiple timeframes, tracking volatility shifts and institutional behavior, preparing scenarios instead of predictions, journaling, refining rules, and protecting mental capital. The patient trader isn't idle. They're ready. This is where patience begins to compound. Selective traders naturally improve their win rate because they eliminate low-quality decisions. They reduce drawdowns because they avoid unnecessary exposure. And most importantly, they preserve emotional energy for moments that actually matter. Compare two traders with the same starting capital. One trades constantly, chasing opportunities, accepting mediocre risk to reward. The other waits, trades selectively, and demands favorable conditions before committing capital. Over time, the second trader almost always outperforms, not because they're smarter, but because they're restrained. Patience doesn't just protect your account. It amplifies your edge. Modern trading platforms are not neutral tools. They are engineered to stimulate action. Flashing prices, instant execution, constant alerts and movement. All of it pushes you toward impulsive behavior. Recognizing this is critical. Successful traders learn to tolerate boredom. They redefine it. Silence becomes preparation. Waiting becomes work. The moment you stop viewing inactivity as wasted time is the moment your performance starts to change. Most meaningful market moves happen during specific conditions, periods of volume, volatility, and institutional participation. Outside of those windows, price often becomes noise. Random, choppy, unforgiving. Patient traders understand this. They define strict criteria, clear structural alignment, favorable risk to reward, confirmed market environment, objective entry conditions. If those criteria aren't met, they don't negotiate with themselves. They wait. Not because they're afraid, but because they're professionals. One of the hardest lessons in trading is accepting that your most profitable days may involve zero trades. This contradicts everything you've been taught about effort and reward. So patient traders create new metrics for success. Rule adherence, setup selectivity, risk consistency, drawdown control. These metrics reward discipline, not luck, and over time, they reshape how success feels. Why markets spend most of their time going nowhere. Markets are not always trending. In fact, they spend the majority of time consolidating, building energy, not releasing it. Impatient traders burn capital during these phases. Patient traders preserve it. They understand accumulation, distribution, and confirmation. They're willing to miss the first part of a move in exchange for clarity. Catching the middle of a clean trend beats guessing the start every time. The discipline you build in trading doesn't stay on the charts. It spills into everything. You become less reactive, more deliberate, more comfortable waiting for the right moment. Patience sharpens judgment in decisions, relationships, and long-term planning. Trading becomes more than income. It becomes training. Patience is not hesitation. If your rules are met and you freeze, that's fear. True patience is decisive when conditions align. It's waiting with intent, not waiting for perfection. There will never be perfect setups, only favorable ones. The market rewards those who wait. Every so often, the market offers opportunities that feel obvious in hindsight. Clean structure, clear risk, asymmetric reward. These moments don't come often. And when they do, only patient traders are ready. Those who spent weeks overtrading are exhausted, underfunded, distracted. Patience ensures you're present when it matters. Patience is trained. Extend holding periods. Limit trade frequency. Create mandatory pauses after losses. At first it feels uncomfortable. Then it becomes natural. Eventually, it becomes your edge. Professional traders think in thousands of trades, not single outcomes. They understand that capital preservation is profit, that avoided losses matter just as much as winning trades. And once you see trading as a long-term probability game, patience stops feeling painful. It becomes logical. In a market dominated by speed, automation, and algorithms, there is still one advantage technology cannot replicate: the ability to wait. Not emotionally, not impulsively, but strategically. Your patience is not a weakness, it is your leverage. Your discipline is your advantage, and your ability to sit still while others panic is what separates consistent traders from the rest. The market will always offer another opportunity. The question is whether you'll be patient enough to be ready when it does.